Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share Google Slides with permissions and access control. So if you want to share the slide that you made but with permissions or with control so they can edit and also comment on these slides, this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just tap on the share button at the top. And now you can just add people, groups, or your teams in here. For example, I'm going to just add one person in here. Click on it. And here you can choose to notify them or not. And to give them permissions and also access control, you can need to set their role as editor. Now you can just tap on send. So just like that, now the slide has been shared with permission and also access control. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.